In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading LaunchOS from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, don't open it, just click on Home button and go into Settings. Then scroll to hit Apps. Tap on Default Apps here and choose Home app to tap on Launcher Pro. Finally, select Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you need to go back to the same settings and tap on System Launcher. If you want to make any changes to your Apple one, just access the Launcher Pro app and follow all of the instructions within. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!